what's going on, everybody? His sadistic picker is back with his little bulldog. Yes, right here by my side. Who could miss this little bulldog? Here, I'm going to show you what I deal with when he's sitting here whining at me. As he has splintered his bone all over the floor. That's how spoiled this boy is. Splinters his bone everywhere. And now, back to whining at Dad. What just happened there? Alright, let's see if we can't straighten her back out. Woo. Okay, anyway, we're back. We're back. We're going to try to get through this without too much howling from him, but no promises. No promises. He knows once his camera goes on, he can sit there and whine, and I'll not do much but try to appease him with some pets. So it's been so long ago since I got this and this reg male, which I just made a video on. I can't even remember what's in here. I can't even remember what is in here. I ordered these over a year ago. What did I not get? Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh! Ha ha! That is right. I remember this now. This came up for an awesome price. Awesome price. I couldn't pass it up. I think it was like, oh, what was it, $6? No, it was 16 bucks. $6. I knew I had a 6 in there. It was 16 bucks. But I didn't have this size, nor did I have a marine grade. Come on, how could you go wrong with marine grade? Living here on the coast, you gotta have marine grade locks outside or else they just rust. But when I saw this baby, oh my goodness, look at that. And it's a Dimple. What the fuck, right? Is this not the coolest fucking lock ever? Oh my god. This is my first mini Dimple. I think it's my second padlock Dimple. The first one I got as a gift, which we are doing a giveaway, or using as a giveaway idea. People guessing the weight on this baby. So if you guys haven't entered that yet, there's 2 shorts that went out for that giveaway that have guesses on it, which I'm going to be doing a video tomorrow combining everybody's guess. And I think there's been 2 people who did the same guess but on 2 different shorts. So I'll give a list out with all the names, weights, guesses, and if somebody guessed on the other one, then we'll give them another chance to throw out a different guess, a different number, and do the giveaway here. Like, we'll do it on the 2nd and ship everything out on the 3rd. But sorry about the double short giveaway. Only 1 short was supposed to go out, but it didn't go out for like 3 hours. I thought it was messed up, so we did the same, sent it out, and right after it posted, the fucking original one posted. So little lesson learned there. Also, probably not the best idea to be doing a giveaway on a short, because your regular subs who are sub to you might not catch the short. So if you do giveaways, maybe after you do the main video for your giveaway, then do a short for it to try to get some reach and some new people to join. Look at that. That is so cool. All right, let's get these out and see If we can get it. I don't know if I can get it. That's a tiny core. I didn't even know they made dimples this small. Okay. Oh, and it's got tops and bottoms. Shit, I don't even know if I'm going to be able to pick this one, boys and girls. But we will try. Let's grab that one. Let's grab this one. Let's grab this one. And then some of these. Fucking sweet. This is sweet. I can't believe I waited so long to open this thing up. Actually, I can. I wanted to share with everybody. I'm the type of guy who will sit on a package and wait until I'm better enough to share it, especially if somebody sent me the package. Oh, I guess I can't use them. Then I feel obligated to get it on cam. So we are going to have to revert to some older style. Well, maybe just different style, not so much older style, but different style. Tension wrenches, some Z-bar tension wrenches. These are really cool Dimple tensioners. They really work a treat. Okay, so it's got top and bottom. I might have to clamp this up. I just wasn't prepared for this, people. Wasn't prepared, but excited to give it a try. All right. Let's see. Okay, I think it would tension down this way. Okay, that was a pin on the bottom. Huh. I felt something there. That is just strange. That is just strange. Let's try. That one doesn't have a hook on it. This one does. cow, that goes back a long ways. I wasn't getting it. Okay. Got one pin that way. I wonder, well, for one, I wonder if we're going to be able to do this. Can't use that one. Of course, that one's going to be just a wee bit too wide. I can't believe these ones are so fucking wide that they don't work. Let's see if this one's thin enough. There we go. That doesn't fit. This is almost too much too. There we go. Ooh, another drop down. All right, I think we're in them. Oh, come on. All right, we're set down in further. We're fucking close here. Oh, shit. That's it right there. Okay. I think we're down to the front here.
Crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear it talking shit from the drama. You keep it coming, I'ma send you to your mama. It's the whip, quick flip, get the guns out. Dropping bodies into place till the sun's out. Can't fuck with me, so don't even try. Cause when the bullets fly, I'm the last one to die. Pulling up like
There it is. Woo! Fuck yeah, look at that. All right, y'all. That was fucking awesome. And this was... Where's my box? This was the Abus751B/30. Really fucking cool. This just made my day. One more time if y'all want to look at it. Get it back together. Very, very cool little pick. And that is an awesome Mini Lock Monday. We'll revisit this for a Mini Lock Monday down the road. I just couldn't help but pick it, seeing how it was right in front of me. Alright everybody, if you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, hit that like button for some more Dimple action. If you're new here, please sub up and turn that notification bell to all the fucking time, because let's face it, you don't want to miss any of this shit. And share it out to all your buddies, because look what they're missing. Huh? Look what they're missing. This is just too cool. Alright, y'all. You know what to do. Hippie picking.